Are there any ghosts here?
Don't know, yaar. Something is there. Let us see.
Hey beta, how are you?
Mummy, दादाजी, दादाजी,
क्या हुआ दादाजी को?
दादाजी गिर गए.
गिर गए? Oh my God!
मैंने शिल्पा आंटी को बुलाया था. उन्होंने दादाजी को हॉस्पिटल ले गए.
हॉस्पिटल ले गए? ठीक है. हम जल्दी आ जाएंगे, okay? We will take the earliest flight today and come back, beta. Okay?
Okay.
You don't worry. And I'll speak to Shilpa aunty.
Okay. मम्मी मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है.
Don't worry, beta. We'll come soon. Don't worry, okay? You take care. Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
were you? I was ringing the bell for so long. It's raining so heavily outside.
दादाजी प्लीज आओ ना दादाजी.
नहीं बेटा,
प्लीज दादाजी.
बेटा पेपर पढ़ रहा हूँ बेटा. नहीं बेटा.
आओ ना प्लीज.
ठीक है चलो. क्या है ये बेटा?
ड्राइंग दादाजी.
ये कौन है बेटा?
पापा.
पापा? बिल्कुल बंदर दिख रहा है पापा. ये कौन है छोटा बंदर?
मुझे पूछना है.
हाँ बेटा.
मेरे क्लास में मेरा दोस्त राकेश है ना, वो बोलता है कि उसके घर में उसका दादाजी का भूत है.
भूत? बेटा भूत वूत कुछ नहीं होता है
जी.
जब कोई इंसान का मौत होता है तब वो तारा बन जाता है, स्टार. ओके. ये जो भूत वूत का जो कहानी है सब मनगढ़ंत कहानी है, भूत नहीं होता है. ओके. लो ये अब खत्म करो तुम.
Miss you, दादाजी.
Hello friends, I'm Dr. Mahesh Hemram. I'll be talking about fear. What is fear? Fear is a primitive human response induced by perceived danger or threat, which causes physiological, biochemical, and behavioral changes in an individual. Fear is in fact a protective response and very essential for survival of any living creature. However, this at times can develop into a phobia. Phobias are strong and irrational fear which have become persistent and debilitating and significantly influence and interfere with a person's usual daily activity. Is it normal for children to have fear? It is normal for children to be afraid at times. Fear is an emotion that can help kids be cautious. What are children generally afraid of? Certain fears are common and normal at certain age. For example, infants feel stranger anxiety, toddlers feel separation anxiety. Kids between the age of 4 to 6 years can imagine and pretend things, but they can't always tell what is real and what is not. Children's imagination can be really powerful and at times get the best of them. To them, the scary monsters they imagine seem very real. The fear of ghosts and spirits, also known as plasmophobia. Many people, including children, young and old alike, fear ghosts. This fear is deeply ingrained in us right since childhood, fueled further by TV shows, religion, and culture. It is seldom appreciated that the fear of ghosts and supernatural worries may be a cause of intense discomfort, poor sleep, and socio-occupational impairment. Children can get frightened easily. Ghosts for children are real and tangible. For example, seeing spirits or ghosts of relatives who have passed away. What should we do in such cases? The worst thing to tell a child when he starts freaking out about ghosts is to tell him, don't be afraid, they are not real. You are basically telling the child that the experience is wrong and this can lead to all kinds of pathology down the road. Invalidating their fears will get you nowhere. Let them believe in ghosts, Santas or Easter Bunny until they reach the age where they can invalidate them. Talking about one's fear is also a therapeutic way of dealing with plasmophobia. It is important to get support from friends and family and assure oneself that the fear of ghosts is absolutely common and they are not alone in this suffering. The fear of ghosts and spirits tend to decline during adolescence and soon thereafter, although some fear may persist into adulthood. Thank you.